upstream is the Kings Sedgemoor Drain.
I don't want to know. Come back a bit, there's a curve.
Okay, here we go then. That's it, nice and gently, guys. Well done, boys.
She is dependent on the